I was declared homeless right before I started my college experience. I was couch surfing on friends' couches. Um, I was sleeping in my car if I had to while trying to go to school, trying to find an apartment, trying to get employment, which is a very taxing experience for a student who's just trying to not only survive but also do well in their classes and make themselves and the university proud. Coming to WSU, I really was anxious, but people saw a lot of potential in me that I didn't necessarily see in myself, and they helped foster that within myself. Now going into higher education as a professional, I can relate to a wide variety of students and really show them that your university cares, and it's not you against the university, it's us together as a collective community. When people listen to my story, a lot of people get inspired and a lot of people feel like I have a unique story. And I do think that the community that I've had and the support that I've had has really beaten a lot of the statistics that were against me. And in that regard, my future is unique. But my background is very common. It's something that a lot of students on this campus are dealing with every day. They just don't have the opportunity to voice their concerns or their needs. When donors set up scholarship funds or they give to the Student Hardship Fund or in whatever way they can possibly give or donate, they're helping a multitude of students change their lives. They're helping a lot of students change from being statistics and potentially losing their education to going into higher education or going into these other fields and breaking that cycle of hardship.